Hi everyone, here we've got Honor Play 7 and let me show you how to enable night mode or eye comfort mode. So actually in this device we've got both modes on, so we've got the eye comfort and the night light, and actually the only difference between them is it how the screen turns out after turning them on. So in the eye comfort mode we've got the yellow screen, and in the night light we've got it amber. Of course I will show you both. So let's begin with opening the settings and let's tap on the display. And as I said, here we've got the eye comfort and night light. Let me begin with eye comfort. Let's turn it on by tapping on this switcher here. And as you can see, the screen turns yellowish. We can adjust the intensity and the color actually of this mode. So let me turn it off and let's tap on the color temperature. As you can see, now it is warm. We can change it by swiping the switcher. We can set it warmer or cooler. It's really up to you how you want to set it, which option is better for you. Let's tap on OK in order to confirm. So actually this is how to customize the eye comfort. Of course you can have much faster access to this feature. You have to unroll the top bar. And here we've got the eye comfort mode. Of course you can turn it on by tapping on it and turn it off by tapping on it again. If you do not have this icon, no worries, just tap on this pencil icon right here, find it somewhere here, just tap on it, hold it and drag it to this panel. Okay, let me get back and let's check another option. This is the night light, so let's tap on it. Let me turn it on by tapping on the switcher, and as you can see the screen turns amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light and make it easier to look at the screen when it's dark around you. What's more, you can adjust the intensity of that feature by this switcher. It's really up to you how you want to set it again. You can schedule that feature also. Simply tap on this very first position. Now it is obviously not scheduled, but we can turn it on at custom time or from sunset to sunrise. Let me pick for example the custom time, and as you can see here we can choose the start time and end time. Just tap on it and by swiping choose the start time you want to use and the end time the same way. Let's tap on OK, and from now on the night light will be turned on automatically. But let me turn it off. So actually that's all. This is how to use a night light and eye comfort mode in your Honor Play 7. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.